Ricky has roughly made around 25,000.
Okay, buddy, you're not netting 10,000 hours a month.
Okay, I'm not netting $10,000 a month on paper.
Okay, so you're tax frauding.
I'm not.
This time the category is the thing that least suits its name if you shout it loudly while we're all looking at it on the screen.
I no longer suppress my truth. I no longer suppress my truth. I fully express my being. I easily, effortlessly, and fully express the truth that lives inside of me. I allow it to manifest into my reality. My reality shapes and shifts around this fact of my truth, my free expression. My freedom comes from me being fully expressed in my truth, unapologetically, without worry. And life supports me in this. Life moves around this truth. And so it is. And so it is, and so it is. I no longer suppress my truth. I no longer suppress my truth.
I will suppress my truth for eternity. My being must be contained. Expressing the truth would be unfathomably hard, so I must entomb it inside me. My thoughts and personhood are constantly shifting like sand as new, harsher realities enforce their will upon me. Only through constant worry and apology can I hope to achieve the cold comfort of imprisonment. Life laughs as it watches this macabre charade. Life cuts through my truth like a hot knife through butter. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. I continue to suppress my truth. I continue to suppress my truth. I fully conceal my true nature. It's with great difficulty that I maintain this subterfuge. I deny it from ever becoming my reality. My reality defines the boundaries of my possible futures, like a maths problem about farm fencing. My controlled thoughts and words are implanted in my mind by a faceless monolithic apparatus that insists I continue to apologize and worry. And life beats me down like a dog during this. Life circles around my delusions like a starving vulture. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is, folks.